everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. Merry Christmas Eve! So it is December 23rd and I'm doing a whole lot of last minute things that I have to get done before the Christmas Eve party that I'm going to tomorrow. I was debating if I was gonna go out last minute Christmas shopping, but I decided against it. I think I have everything that I need and I just don't want to face the crowds and don't want to do the whole last minute thing. Plus I'm tired from yesterday, so I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna stay home. But then again, today's vlog would be a bit boring, but I'm hopefully gonna make up for that. I have last minute things to wrap. I have one of mine and then the rest of the gifts that I'm giving for the Christmas Eve party tomorrow that I mentioned, and we have a whole stack of stuff to unbox as well. We're gonna open that stack behind me, wrap some gifts, and just have a chill evening. I already finished Vlogmas Day 21 and 22 is uploaded. So they're gonna go up. I think one is already up and then one is scheduled to go up. And hopefully before I leave tomorrow, I can get this vlog up. So I should just not talk too much, get my things sorted. So it will be a quick edit like Vlogmas Day 21 and 22 was. I'm going to unbox this section here first. So I'll show you that I've been accumulating stuff. And I was going to do it in like a past Vlogmas Day, but I totally forgot. So this is perfect. I left it last minute for a reason. So let's get started. Let's do the Old Navy one. I've been wanting to open these for a while. I just haven't. So let's just speed around this. And did I open it good? I forgot what I bought anyways. Oh, some pajama shorts that I can wear year round. I love these, but I needed an item to like go over so I can get free shipping. Instead of paying for free shipping, I got a product, and I love these shorts and I think I can wear them like year round. They're the Old Navy like plaid shorts. I have a red buffalo one and a red tartan, so I got a black buffalo one so I can wear it year round. It's not necessarily like Christmas pajamas. Then this is what I wanted from Old Navy. It was the last ones. I got it as soon as they uploaded it to their site because it was selling out so fast. Oh, this one's easy to open. Thank goodness. I didn't need this. And it looks pretty good. Here they are. They are sequin flared pants, trousers, whatever you call it. Yes, so I got it in my size, thankfully. And yeah, I don't know if these are gonna be my Christmas pants or my New Year's Eve pants, but wow, they are really sparkly and pretty. And I'm wearing that like white sequin jumper, so yeah, this is fun. I love this. I have to try it on maybe tomorrow. I'll see, but this is what I went to Old Navy for, and I'm glad I got the last one because I really wanted them, and they're like perfect for the holidays. So I thought we would try on these sequin pants together, and this is what it looks like. I haven't tried the heels on yet, but so sparkly. Obviously I'm not going to style it with a pajama top, but I love how they fit, and they're so shiny and sparkly. I feel like Harry Styles a little bit. So yes, these are either my Christmas Eve party pants or they're going to be my New Year's Eve party pants. Haven't decided, but they're super cute. Can't wait to like style them up for like the holidays and stuff. So there we go. Now we have Target to match the sequin pants. I bought them because I really wanted these last minute as well. I'm like, yeah, I totally could use those. So I'm not very good at opening things. They're just here. So, oh, it's kind of like a present. So, man, these are big and bulky. Diamond shoes. I am notorious for buying impractical footwear. Like, I'll buy shoes because they're pretty. I have this gorgeous velvet nude heel that's just like this with like huge bows on the back. Worn them once for a picture. These are probably going to be the same thing. They're just these diamond sparkly shoes, and I kind of want to wear them tomorrow, but then again I'm like, am I really going to wear these out? Really? I don't know, but they're so pretty. Look at them. They're diamond shoes. Oh, they're so pretty and perfect for like the holidays and New Year. And like, let me get the box out of the way. And they like match perfectly with my sequin pants. And I'm going to be full of sequins tomorrow. They just look so pretty and diamondy, but I know I'm not going to be like wearing them quite often. They're just probably going to be on display, but they're pretty and they're diamondy. I wish I can go to the Era store again. I would totally wear these, but then again, I had like uncomfortable cowboy boots and they were only like that much of a heel and I was struggling. So let alone these. Maybe just for outfit pictures and then take like a pair of flip-flops, because these will not last 3 hours for the Era store if I went again. That was my haul. Not very exciting. It just sequin pants, sequin shoes, and some Christmas pajamas. So that is it. I need to finish wrapping these gifts, so let's do that real quick. And I think I'm gonna call my dad and see what he's up to. So yeah, let's just time-lapse the wrapping of gifts and cleaning up the boxes that I just threw everywhere. That are gonna go tomorrow. So the ones from here all the way up and then a few down here. So I'm glad that I got a lot of my wrapping done. Okay, so I wrapped everything that I had to. I just wrapped 3 of my gifts and then I did the rest over here so you can see it. So all of them are all ready to go. You'll see tomorrow how I like pack it up and take it to the Christmas party that I'm going to. So not all of this is going, just the top half. So yeah, we have all the fun gifts right here and I'm so happy that I got that done. I need to do the video now. I need to schedule Vlogmas day 22 to go up at 8 a.m. and I need to get my outfit sorted because it's already getting late and I need to like get things going. So I don't know if I'm gonna show you the outfit, like the outfit details in this one, or tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. So you'll just have to come back tomorrow to see all my outfit details. I'm gonna lay it out on my bed and then show you me wearing it. So I think I've discovered what I want to wear, so hopefully that turns out. I remember last year I did not try on what I wanted to wear and it did not fit me properly. I'm actually wearing it. So this top I had to wear with like a top over it, under it. I had to wear something under it. So I'm gonna hopefully maybe try that on tonight so I don't panic like I did last year. Okay, got my outfit all sorted. You'll see that tomorrow in Vlogmas day 24. And I have just been sat here reading. I've done a couple of chapters. I'm still on A Court of Sugar and Spice and it's pretty good. It picked up after chapter 5. It was getting really good and it has like Faye and a sugar plum fairy and the nutcracker and it is so fun. I'm really enjoying it after it like finally started to get going, you know? So I got some reading done today, which is great. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it in time for Christmas because it's already like gonna be Christmas Eve, but I'm working my way through this book. Now that I got that done, I'm going to press publish on my Vlogmas from yesterday, so that's gonna go up. And I think I'm gonna call it an evening pretty soon. It's advent calendar time. We're gonna do day 23, but first let's roll my dad's footage.
Here we go, day 23, advent calendar day, getting close to Christmas. There we go, let me find it. There we are. It looks like a star, some kind of star. Look at that. It's a star. There we go, down the hatch. That ends up today, advent calendar 23. Tomorrow will be 24. All right, bye-bye.
It's my turn, and now you're better in frame. So 23, which is up here, which means this is the second to last chocolate. And I think it's a cupcake. It is. Okay, here's the chocolate. It's a cupcake. Do you see it?
Oh, very good.
Okay, show you guys what it looks like. It's a cute little cupcake. Okay, let's eat. That is it for our advent calendar, day 23. We only have 24 left, the last one. But actually, it's already Christmas Eve in the Philippines while I'm talking to my dad. So he actually could eat the last chocolate. But we're not going to do that. We're going to do it on my time, US time. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow for the last advent day calendar. So bye-bye! Say bye! It's the end of the evening and it's time to wrap up Vlogmas day 23, Christmas Eve. I know today wasn't as fun, but I needed to get everything sorted. But tomorrow is Christmas Eve and I'm gonna go to a Christmas Eve party like I've been mentioning. So hopefully tomorrow's Vlogmas is gonna be so much fun. I love going to my family friend's Christmas party. This is the 3rd year in a row that I'm going, so I can't wait. We're gonna do White Elephant, Secret Santa, play some games, eat, have fun. So can't wait for that. So I should get going to bed so I can wake up and sort everything out tomorrow. So come back tomorrow for Vlogmas day 24. But for now, I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas day 23. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 24. Bye everyone! Good night, Christmas tree!